Good evening to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, we'll fix if microphone is not working on your laptop PC. See, this procedure will work on Windows 10 or Windows 11. The procedure is similar. First, on the Windows search bar, just search as microphone. So this will open the shortcut for microphone privacy settings. You can open from this, or you can click on the Windows symbol, then click on settings. At the settings, at the left side, you'll see an option called privacy and security, and here in the list, when you scroll down, you will find this microphone. Click on this. See, this should be enabled. By any chance, if it is disabled, you need to enable it. So this is the permission for the microphone for the apps on your computer to access. See here, there are way of list of apps. So if this is disabled for any app, you need to give the permission. Just enable any of the apps. Say for example, if you want to Skype, enable that. Okay, I'll close this. And the second method is through control panel. So I'll just search as control panel, and I'll try to open control panel here. See, click on the control panel, and here you will find an option called hardware and sound. Click on hardware and sound here. Okay, here you will find the third option, sound. So you need to click on the sound option. Yes, there will be a pop-up window opened here with all the connected microphones. So yeah, see, this is the only microphone what I have as of now on this laptop PC. If you have other, this will be listed here with the green mark. So select the one you wanted and choose this as the set default and click on OK. Okay, and one more thing, click on this properties and click on the levels and make sure your volume level is 100%. So just click on apply and click on OK. And the third step you can do is a simple restart of laptop will work, but third step on the search, you can search as troubleshooting settings. So open the troubleshooting settings here. Under troubleshooting settings, you need to reach to the audio troubleshooting. So yeah, I just opened the troubleshooting steps here. If you do have any other questions, please do ask in the comments. So once this troubleshooting steps is opened, the third option will be other troubleshooting steps. So tap on that, and here you will find the first option, audio. Click on the run, and once this troubleshooting is finished, your problem gets fixed. And just try to restart your computer once, laptop once, and your problem will be solved. Thanks for watching.